AXIOS's partnership with PERI is a perfect partnership, as AXIOS is a technology-driven company and PERI fits that protocol nicely. There's a lot of scaffolding materials out there, cup lock, pin lock, even tube and clamp type scaffolding materials that have different connectivity functions. PERI is a product that's been developed over time that has superior connectivity, speed, agility, its ease of coming together, and its flexibility. So it fits in nicely with what we're doing at AXIOS in terms of driving technology forward. Our technology really is the root of what we're doing as a scaffold or a craft provider to the industry. Finding good people is certainly the first step in being a quality company, but the technology, which is really the optimization piece of our company to the customer. The customer wants to have optimization in terms of zero constraints or minimal constraints in the construction process. They want to have the ability to have transparent information from the company they're doing business with. And AXIOS, we've developed a number of programs, including what we call our AIM family, and that's AIM Point, AIM Safe, AIM Prove. And each one of these are separate applications that can be used on a cellular phone to optimize the process around the soft craft within a customer's facility. Well, in COVID, of course, we couldn't get into plant with full crews, and social distancing was important. So because we had those parameters around us, the PERI scaffold capability really came in handy. We were able to put a minimal number of people on site and be able to still build the scaffold in a timely way. A lot of the companies were adding a COVID protocol as well, so we had to prove to them that we had socially distanced our crews, and PERI gave us the ability to do that successfully. I'm very impressed with AXIOS's technology and the forward thinking that the leadership team has put in place. It's a directive with the company that we will look for technologies and grow technology, to actually develop our technologies internally that are forward or customer facing, that are good quality, that are transparent, that minimize the number of work hours we have on the site and maximize our tool time. I was very excited about that because that's how you differentiate yourself in this industry.